Sharon Rose Master, Norily Magsingit from Fairview Lagro Center. Okay, so allow me to share with you our products in Atomy. Medyo maganda boses ko ngayon, ano? Kasi after the Jeju, bigla nawalan ako ng boses. So bear with me. However, I'm going to introduce to you our product, which has composed of health, beauty, home, personal care, food, and life. And mind you, that all our products have an absolute quality and absolute price. So, have you ever navigate to your own website or your own platform? Sino yung naka-navigate na? Ay, konti. So you have to go to your sponsor and request to your sponsor on how to navigate your sponsor. So just click on it and you will see all our absolute products with absolute price. Okay, so our products coined in the world Mastige. And what is Mastige? Meaning the products, okay, that we distribute to the market are all products na gamit natin. Gamit ng consumers. Sino ba ang nagtututbrush dito? Lahat. Pag di kayo nagtututbrush, nako, kawawa katabi nyo. So meaning, lahat nagsha-shampoo, di ba? Naguhugas ng pinggan and everything. All of that, all our products are, the targets are all consumers. So yun, ginagamit natin araw-araw. Plus prestige. And what is prestige? If you're going to compare it with the other products, okay, that has a high quality, parehong-pareho siya. And what makes it different, Sinatomy? We have a high quality compared to them, but with lower price. Diba? So, maganda yan. Hindi kayo masaya dyan? Dapat masaya, di po ba? Okay. So, I'm going to show you first, okay, the life expectancy of a Filipino people. So as you can see, in the average life expectancy of Hong Kong, Japan, and South Korea, they have the highest life expectancy. Let's go down to the Philippines. Pang-ilan tayo? Sa Philippines, ayon, 142. 42 ba? Okay. 142, and the average lifespan is only 69.95, meaning 70-year-old, compared to the other countries. So, comparing the male and the female, so you can see also what is the life expectancy here in the Philippines. Now, let me give you, ano ba yan, tinatakot yata ako ni Ma'am Nori. Okay, the top 10 causes of diseases or death in the Philippines. So you can see the ischemic heart disease is the number 1. These are the heart attacks. Okay, the neoplasm. These are cancers. Okay, cerebrovascular diseases. These are stroke. And there are different kind of stroke. Diba? Ang stroke natin, pag napunta sa brain, nagbara, ang tawag doon is stroke in the brain. Pag napunta sa puso, myocardial infarction. Pag napunta sa kidney, tubular necrosis, and they are all strokes. Okay? So we have also the pneumonia, the diabetes, hypertension is also a death cause, chronic lower respiratory tuberculosis, other heart diseases, and genitourinary diseases. And mind you, these top 10 causes of disease is because of the lifestyle, right? Yung mga kinakain natin araw-araw. Now, let's see now the trends in lifespan or healthy life expectancy in the Philippines. So, according to this study, the average number daw of a year newborn is expected to live, serving an indicator of at least 69.9 average lifespan daw. Yeah. But because of the lifestyle that we have, you go now to your right. So because of the lifestyle, eto na siya, bumaba siya ng 8.7 years. So what does it mean? Nakakatakot, di ba? Sino na po dito ang 60 years old? Yan. It's a blessing already na umabot kayo, di ba? Dun sa ating lifespan. See? So, but of course, all of this is because again to our lifestyle. Now, we are so blessed, okay, that we have these major products in Atomy that we really have to love, and I love it so much, in which I'm now going to share with you. And these are the Himuhim, the probiotics, and the vitamin C. Okay, so let me share to you first my favorite. Okay, why favorite? Because as you can see me, parang healthy, di ba? Because I am a cancer survivor because of this product, the Himuhim. Okay. Yes. O, kaya wag na kayo mag-ano, kasi ako na mismo, nakatayo na dito sa inyo. So you really have to use our products. Now, let us first know what is immunity. It is innate in us, to all of us. Immunity is the ability to recognize and resist all the virus. So meaning, they are the doors in our body. So the body responds now if there is a virus, parasite, fungi, fomites that's come into our bodies. And they are the one responding first. Kaya nagkakakulani kayo. Pansin nyo? Pag na-expose kayo, especially if respiratory disease, you touch this. Anong meron? Kulani. Diba? Saan pa? So lahat ng may mga kulani sa inyo, yan. Ibig sabihin, nagre-respond po. Nalalaglag po. Okay? So, its function is to stop the harmful bacteria entering our system. So that's the purpose of our immunity. And we have the functional foods in Atomy, which is the Himuhim, our flagship product, okay, to boost our immune system. And this Himuhim should be part of our daily life. Ibig sabihin, part siya dapat ng lifestyle. Araw-araw, iniinom mo siya. There are people kasi walang effect sa akin si Himuhim. Bakit kaya walang effect? Di ba? Yun ang sabi. Mas magaling ka pa ba doon sa mga scientists na gumawa ng Himuhim kung walang effect yan, di ba? It is just because you have to prepare your body. You did not prepare your body before you take the Himuhim. Ideally, the Himuhim shall be taken, dapat walang meal, di ba? So it should be early in the morning for you to be able to boost your immune system. It has the ability also to fight all the harmful bacteria and viruses in our body. So we have to get enhanced in our immunity by taking Himuhim. How many times? Twice a day. Hindi yung once a day. Tapos gusto nyo, may magandang effect agad sa body nyo. Di ba? Hindi siya magic. Okay, you have to take it every day. At least 120 days. So that you will really know the effect. Okay? Sorry. Okay. So why take Himuhim? So Himuhim awake our exhausted system. So remember that if we are, sorry, can I take water? Okay, so why do you need to take Himuhim? Because if you are exposed to stressful environment, if you are exposed to bacteria, viruses, if you are exposed to stress, okay, then hihina po ang inyong immune system. Sorry talaga. Ano na lang ng mic. Humihina po immune system ko. Sorry for that. So, in order for you to have this, you have to take Himuhim, okay, to make yourself healthy. Ayaw niya ng mainit. Ayaw ng katawan ko ng mainit eh. Okay? So, let's see now the development of Himuhim. How is Himohim developed? It was developed to KAIRI, okay, the Korean Atomic Energy Institute. Actually, Himohim is developed on this KAIRI, wherein there is what you called as the plant, the nuclear power plant in South Korea, when all scientists are there, okay, but they are exposed, okay, to radiations. So therefore, if your body is exposed to radiation, what happens? It lowers your immune system. And when it lowers your immune system, nagkakaroon ka ng maraming sakit. So you will acquire cancer, you will acquire diabetes, and other diseases. So the government now of South Korea tell, okay, or persuade those scientists to develop a functional food. And this functional food should be researched in order to protect them from getting sick or from any radiation that will be able to decrease their immune system. And good enough po, and it's a blessing, that for 10 years of research, they were able to develop the biofunctional food defense to protect them, and this is now our flagship product, our Himohim. Now, that Himohim also, okay, was now established or was forwarded to Colmar, okay, to produce, okay, these Himohim products, and it is passed to our manufacturing, food, drug, and safety, and is forwarded also to Atomy for commercialization. They have to make sure that it is safe for us to take it. Okay, so ganun po yung ginawa nila. And our Himohim, okay, is from Angelica gigas, Linginistum sinense, and Peony lactifera. And these plants have a substance that can boost our immune system or the functions of our immune system. They did this, okay, through the biological engineering and radiation technology. Biological meaning they maintain the freshness of the chemicals, okay, that is inside these plants in order to protect us once it is taken in our body to boost our immune system. And it is exposed also to radiation technology, okay, or what we call as gamma technology, in order to remove all the bacteria, the viruses, okay, that is inside the plant. So it is safe for us to take. Okay. Now, remember, okay, nakakatuwa po ito, and I love this because I'm not going to take Himohim without this. We have at least 35 research study, okay, of Himohim. You know, in synthetic medicine, there are only 3 researchers. After that, they distribute it to the people. Okay, but in Atomy, imagine, they have 35 research. So, maniniwala po ba kayo o hindi? Of course, you have to believe that it will really help us boost our immune system. And mind you, Himohim is now included in the Propriety of Medicine of Singapore, okay, that it now become a part of medicine, di ba? So ang ganda niya. It is also patented in US, Europe, France, Germany, Italy, and Japan. Okay? So, who needs to take Himohim? All of us should take Himohim. Lahat po tayo, regard you are athletes, homemakers, senior students, so you are supposed to take Himohim. Now, another food supplements that I took, okay, so actually these are the supplements na binargain ko sa mga doctors ko for me to be free from my cancer. So we have the Atomy Vitamin C. And our vitamin C has the 7 types of food or a color food supplement which is mango flavor. Kaya ang sarap po niya na i-take. It has all the natural color food in 110 milligram powder. Our RDA requirement, okay, in our body for a Filipino is 95 to 110. Yung iba nagte-take 500 milligrams and 2,000 milligrams. If the body doesn't need it, you will just urinate it. Okay? So our requirement is up to 110 for a normal individual. We only give it to patients with cancer and with respiratory diseases, yung 500 and 2,000 milligrams. Okay? So our vitamin C, hindi po yan na-produce sa katawan ng tao. You can get the vitamin C sa foods and plants and fruits that we take. Okay? So, the main source of our vitamin C is always the fruits and vegetable. Hindi nakaka-produce ang body natin, kaya it's a supplement. You have really to take it once a day. And pag na-overcook siya, nawawala siya. So do not overcook your vegetables. Again, our vitamin C is a water-soluble, and it is absorbed in our body. And as I told you, in excess of it, it is lost in your urine. Sayang lang kaya yung minsan yung iba, di ba, nagtitake ng so much, hindi para hindi ako mahawaan. Hello, hindi po. Sasakit lang po sikmura nyo pag over-vitamin C kayo. Ha? Yung requirement lang ng body ang kukunin ng katawan natin. Okay, the functions of vitamin C is to maintain connective tissue. Napansin nyo, those fruits and vegetables, that is inside our vitamin C, has the capability, para mag-produce ng sariling collagen. Di ba? So, yung mga masasakit sa mga buto-buto nyo, gagaling yan. Di ba? So, you have to take our vitamin C. What else? It has the capacity, and combine with iron to easily absorb. That's why in our hospital, once we nagreseta ng vitamin C or ng iron, dapat combine siya lagi for absorption. If you don't combine it, hindi po siya madaling ma-absorb sa body. Alright? So what else? So it protects cells from the radical. Our body, once it is exposed in an environment, sa mga bacteria, virus, di po ba, may tinatawag tayong oxidative stress, and this is very normal. But, once you take this vitamin C, our Atomy vitamin C, it helps you to protect from that oxidative stress, thereby increasing your immune system. Now, this is a study also wherein they had a campaign in the United States of California that all people of California should take at least 5 fruits, vegetable of 400 grams per day. Why? Because this is necessary to boost our immune system. And included po lahat ng 5 representative color food na yan sa vitamin C ni Atomy. Yan, di ba? So, the WHO also recommended this 5-a-day campaign. Hindi nyo na kailangan ng 5-a-day campaign kasi 1 click, andyan na si vitamin C sa inyo. So you have to take it now. Punta lang kayo sa platform nyo, di ba? So, yun lang po ang gagawin nyo. Okay. So, vitamin C has what we call as phytochemicals. A phytochemicals is a naturally compounds to protect the harmful insect or UV in the plants and vegetables. So, it has lycopene, anthiozine, carotene, and then the chlorophyll also to protect us and boost again our immune system against cancer. What else? Prevent us from diabetes. Sino may mga diabetes dito? Pwede po, uminom kayo ng vitamin C. Right? Yes, and then yung mga medyo makakalimutin, it boosts your memory also. Meron din po tayo niyan. And of course, increase the production of our RBC. Imagine, nandyan na po siya lahat. Iisa na lang siya, di ba? Just 1 take. Okay, sabi niya, bakit kaya sublingual siya? Alam niyo bakit sublingual? Bakit nga? Sabi nila. Bakit nga? Sabi niya, because in a sublingual, pag sa ilalim ng dita, the tiny vessels natin nandyan. And then it's easily absorbed in our body. Rather than putin, iinumin mo yan, dediretso pa yan sa bituka mo, sa tiyan mo, igagrind pa yan, etc., etc. It takes a long time to be absorbed. But our vitamin C, it is easily absorb. Diba? Okay. Diretso sa bloodstream. Okay, these are the types of the color food. Okay? And another is the probiotics. Ito kasi talaga yung mga tinake ko. Sobrang ganda. We have 3 billion of probiotics in our probiotics. And our probiotics is a live bacteria. This is a lactobacilli bacteria living in a healthy person when proper amount is taken. So in order for you to have a positive effect. So if you can see in a microscope, this is our intestine. In our intestines, we call it as a microvilli. The microvilli, sila po ang guard. Para silang mga pintuan. Okay? Sila po yung mga tagawalis. Ang ina-absorb lang nila yung mga good nutrients to the bloodstream and then nire-reject po lahat ng mga hindi natin kailangan. So that's the importance of the macrovilli and microvilli in our intestines. What is the effect of a lactobacilli? So always remember that the lactobacilli is a microorganism that is inside our probiotics. Nasa probiotics natin yan. And it is live in our intestinal environment. It has the ability to produce a lactic acid, okay, to make our intestine or our gut acidic. Why acidic? Kasi po pag acidic, hindi nabubuhay ang mga mikrobyo. Kaya po, it is made acidic, yung tiyan natin. Okay, the harmful bacteria, remember, cannot live to an acidic environment. Okay? So, the functions of probiotics is to increase unhelpful lactobacilli, restrain harmful bacteria, and madaling mumu. Diba? Sino nahirapan pumupo? Mag-probiotics kayo. Alright. So there is what we call the symbiosis in our probiotics, no? And this is, we have the stomach, the large intestine, and the small intestine. And it is very important that our lactobacilli and harmful bacteria coexist. So laging meron yan. 80% is good bacteria and 20% is bad bacteria. Okay? So, in a healthy children, 90% of the bacteria is in the excreta. That's why in the hospital, what we're doing is normal delivery. We encourage. Why? Because we want the lactobacilli to colonize into the stomach or into the gut of a pediatric, of a newborn baby. Yun po ang importante niya. Okay? So, harmful intestine bacteria always increase in age. So, as you age, habang tumatanda, dumadami ang inyong mga bacteria, di ba? Okay, but we have to maintain the bad bacteria. Okay, but we have to maintain a symbiosis on it by eating right food, fruits and vegetable. Okay, we have also what we call gut dysbiosis. A gut dysbiosis is that pag nagbaligtad na siya, instead of 80% ang good bacteria, nagiging bad is 80% and 20% is good. So baligtad na siya. So what happened in our body, in our gut? Tumataba, di ba? Yun. So, nagkakaroon ng visceral fats, di ba? Okay, so kapain nyo yung ganito nyo. What else? Inflammatory bowel sound. So, ang nangyari, pupu ka ng pupu bawat kain mo. So, autoimmune disease, you are exposed, yung mga skin disorder, nagkakaroon ng mga skin disorder, mabilis yun, di ba? And other allergies, okay? So, in our digestive system, these are the things that will happen and the things that you're going to experience once you have a imbalance or a dysbiosis in your gut. So, you have the bloating stomach, bad breath, digestive system, you have gas, utot ka ng utot, di ba? Tapos, lagi kang nagtatae. Okay, you have a stubborn stool, yung maliliit na stool, that's a stubborn stool. Tapos, feeling mo na natatai ka pa uli, feeling mo, hindi parang natanggal ko na siya. Those are the things. And kahit na anong toothpaste ni Atomy ginagamit mo, bad breath ka pa rin, there's something with your gut. Okay? So check on it. So is gut killing you? Again, as I told you, 90% is made of bacteria and only 10% is human. So ang katabi mo, lahat yan ay bacteria. 10% is human. And there are trillions of them also living inside us, and most are located in our gut. In the ecosystem, there's always a fight between good and bad. Kahit naman sa pelikula, di ba, may kontrabida at may bida. Alright? So, ganun din sa gut natin. The problem start is when the bacteria begins or outnumber the good. So, these are the things that will happen again to you. Pwede niyo bang picturean yan? Okay? Kasi baka naman na-experience niyo yan, you have to take probiotics when you have this kinds of problem in your gut. So, what can harm you? Your gut bacteria. Diet lacking in a variety of different whole foods. So, hindi kayo kumakain ng whole foods, lack of prebiotics in the diet, drinking too much alcohol, antibiotic usage, konting antibiotic. Konting fever, paracetamol. O, di ba? Ayan. So, it will have a problem in your gut. Lack of regular physical activity, again, 8 hours of sleep is necessary, not 6 hours. It's 8 hours per rin. Okay, that's the normal. Okay, cigarette smoking, not getting enough sleep, and too much stress. Okay? So, how to improve your gut? Marami sa Pilipinas. Ano? Banana. It's there. Onions. Okay, in Nueva Ecija, in Ilocos region. Ang sarap, di ba? Then you have to eat a lot of kimchi. Make time for sleep. Reduce stress. Eat food rich in polyphenols. So you have the, hindi ko sinabing chocolate ha, dark chocolates. And when we say wine, 30 ml of wine. Hindi yung lalaklakin nyo yung buong wine. Iba yon. 30 ml is just good for your heart and for your gut. Okay? So why choose Atomy Probiotic Plus? Because we have 12 types of lactobacilli that is included in our Atomy Probiotics that is good for our health. And again, just to summarize, we have to support the growth of beneficial bacteria, restrain the growth of harmful bacteria, help to normalize bowel functions by taking probiotics. Okay? So these are the ingredients included in our probiotics. It has a lot of fruits and vegetables, and then it is recommended to all of us. Okay? So lahat tayo. And sabi nga po, tingin muna kayo sa kaliwat kanan nyo before I end. Kaliwat kanan. Ayan. Sino yung nakasmile? Nakasmile. Sabi, there is a study that says that for those people, na who smile, yung people na lagi daw nagagalit at hindi nag-i-smile, 1 hour, bumabagsak ang immune system niya. Okay. Now, if you don't smile and keep on getting angry for 1 hour, ilan na yon? Your immune system will go down to 24 hours. Gusto niyo ba yon? Alright. So because of that, I'm going to share with you in Ephesians 4:26-27, in your anger, do not sin. Do not let the sun go down while you are still angry, and do not give the devil a foothold. Therefore, Atomian, smile so that you may increase your immune system. With that, I am Sharon Rose Master, Norily Magsingit from Fairview Lagos Center.
Thank you so much.